Community engaged research is a research technique that facilitates collaboration between researchers and members of a community in order to discover what treatments or interventions yield the best possible health outcomes for members belonging to that specific community. Members can be selected on the basis of interests, geographical proximity, and other factors that can negatively impact a community's health. This week, we watched a video that gave a prime example of community engaged research in St. Louis, Missouri. The researchers in the video partnered with over 80 churches and beauty shops in order to educate African American women about the importance of early detection of breast cancer while at the same time promoting regular mammograms. A drawback to this approach is that it is a possibility that these women may not be open to collaborating with researchers due to historical ethics violations. This video brought up this point by saying that a lot of the time the community brings up every negative thing that they hear and read about clinical trials when you're bringing it up to them. Another drawback is that research projects may experience some sort of delay when trying to find willing participants, but most of these drawbacks are not reasons to count out community engaged research, for the advantages of this type of research outweigh the disadvantages, in my opinion. In the video, they touched on there being a lack of diversity in clinical studies due to mistrust. Getting African American women more involved in research projects could possibly increase trust, as this would allow researchers to cater to the unique needs of African American women, which would result in more personalized treatment options and interventions. Most importantly, an increase in clinical trial diversity has the potential to help bridge the breast cancer disparity gap in the United States. I thought that it was great that they were using the community engaged research technique in St. Louis because, according to the video, there's a 40% difference for breast cancer survival in Black women versus white women in that area. This statistic is heartbreaking, but I do think that it's spectacular that they're choosing an area that experienced such a wide disparity gap to focus on.